Here's the app called Viewstats Creator Analytics. Interesting iOS app for YouTube creators. Take your YouTube analytics on the go. Viewstats is built for creators and fans looking to explore YouTube channel video statistics anytime, anywhere. Leverage the power of one of the largest databases of YouTube insights right from your iPhone. Powerful insights for creators and fans. Explore the largest database of YouTube channel video stats. Massive library of YouTube data. iOS widgets for real-time updates, spot trending creators, top subscription gate, track videos, channel growth. So kind of like a social blade, but just as an app, as a widget. I was actually looking like where you have all of these easy to use widgets just for YouTube. So you just install this widget, and for example, you have this. You can see number of views, number of subs for each channel, launch with shorts, similar channels, monthly metrics. You can favorite it, search a channel. You can see top lists, top views gained, top subs gained in last 7 days, favorites. Then you can see your profile, and then you can just get the widget. So one press on your home screen, tap the plus icon and add the widget. Select your favorite channels. So for example, tap and hold. And add the widget. Edit widget, handle Mr. Beast, for example. You just added any channel you wanna views, time range, last 28 days or so. So that's kind of the idea. Pretty cool, right? At the moment, it's a bit glitchy, to be honest. I don't know what's, maybe something is glitchy with their API or something. I don't know what with what, but a bit glitchy, but really cool idea. Instead of going to like Social Blade or these other websites, just use the app.